Welcome to one channel. We in this thing, boy. So today we're gonna learn how to find the mixer.
Where's that mixer?
We're gonna open it up like a can of some whoop blank. We ain't editing.
I wanna know how to mix some beats. How do we mix this?
Man, what type of mixer you talking about? A drink mixer or a beat mixer?
The mixy.
Alright. We talking about Mexicans or Americans? I don't know.
Yeah, let's get that mix.
Man, I've seen a lot of mixes in my life. I think my favorite's chocolate milk. What about you?
I like mixed drinks.
Okay.
But I like the mixer even more. The mixer. So let's see, where do we find this thing at?
I don't see it on here. Oh, what's that?
Hey, the view mixer.
Whoa!
So what is the mixer? What is a mixer exactly?
Well, I think it's where you put all of your inserts, really, from your patterns, and then, well, let's do that. What we got here? Well, that's all right. We only got one sound, which is an insert one, which is this beat.
Yeah, let's add it. Let's route it.
Bang, there it is.
Mixer. So bang, there you go.
So the most simple function is probably the volume. I'll cover that one. Volume. Pan.
Yep.
Left
Pan
ear.
it left. To the
Right ear.
side.
Back to the middle. There's a lot to cover in the mixer.
The mixer too.
That's pretty much, I think for this video, we should stick to the basics, which is how to get to it. Click this. That part is hard.
Yeah, it is. Like a
Got it again.
beginner mistake, not knowing where the mixer is.
Right. Or not. Well, you can even right click and it goes to it. So you can left click and right click. Alright, FL. So yeah, and the mixer is also where you find your plugins. All this stuff. All this. Yeah, pretty good video.
Yeah, that's basically it. That's how you get to the
So
mixer.
guys, if you have any questions on where to find the mixer, or how to open the mixer, I hope this video answered that for you. This is one channel. We got Stunna, we got Flex, and we out.